Good morning and welcome to Morning Conversations with me, Mika. And today I woke up a bit early than usual. Tapos, nag-prepare na agad ako. Kasi wala lang, na-feel ko na parang, shocks. Ang daming nangyari kahapon na hindi din ako honestly nakaligo. So parang, ayun, iwi lang yung, iwi, ang arte. Pero parang gusto ko lang maligo, ganyan. Tapos, medyo bumalik ako sa routine ko na nagbasa ako, nag-journal ako, water ako ng plants, tapos nag-read ako ng Bible. Tapos ang ganda lang kasi kahapon, it was my lola's birthday. Actually, today siya, pero kahapon yung celebration. And we talk about the struggles. And kahapon, di ba parang sabi ko, I hope yumaman ako sobra na, bayan, sorry. I hope yumaman ako sobra na wala nang may hirapan sa mga tao sa paligid ko. And yun pa rin talaga yung prayers ko every time. Tapos nagkaroon ako ng calling kahapon to really extend the help to them, to the people around me. So parang pinagpasa Diyos ko na lang na, Lord, ikaw na bahala. I just want to help and I just want everyone to have a good start of the year. So yun. And today, ang aking journal entry ay, nilagay ko dito na, since ngayon na lang ulit ako parang sobrang tumutok sa plants ko, nilagay ko dito na one thing that the plants always teach me is how to nurture them so they can grow and live longer. Mapepeste din pag hindi mo inaalagaan. So, yun din yung parang ma-apply ko when it comes to my relationship with my family, with my close friends, and the people around me. I really have to nurture them at some point. Para ngayon, it's not all about, it's not all about kung ano yung mabibigay mo, kung ano yung makukuha mo pabalik. Pero it's all about being there for them. Hindi man siya physically, but maybe emotionally you are there. Kung paano mo mabibigay yung pagiging present sa buhay nila. And also, kailangan na-reciprocate din yung relationship, kumbaga yung nabibigay nyo sa isa't isa. Hindi man siya in the same way that you expect. Actually, mas maganda nga na wala kang ine-expect na lang. Parang, alam mo naman na mahal ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo, di ba? So, ganun din, parang sa plants, you don't know naman talaga anong benefit ang nakukuha mo sa kanila. Pero ako, ang nakita ko ay, as long as I nurture them, I know that I'll be happy. Kasi, happy ako na inaalagaan sila and maganda yung bahay with them. Parang ganon. Hindi kailangan na loud yung pag-reciprocate nung binibigay mo. And, nilagay ko din dito na parang, ano ba? Sabihin ko ba to? Nilagay ko din dito na I'm also scared and worried about my future, but I know na because of God, kaya mayroon din kami lahat ng to. So I know that He will sustain us. As long as we are all doing it for Him, I know that He will take care of us. And ang ganda nun kasi parang mayroon kang fear but also you trust. Alam mo yun, parang hindi ka pa banjing-banjing lang. You are also working hard, but also you are trusting God. Nilagay ko dito na total surrender and show up every day. So, I guess, when it comes to your relationship, you don't actually need to expect anything, but you just have to surrender na yung love mo, mababalik din yun tenfold. And hindi man siya in the same way that you really expect, pero at some point, it will be given back to you. Because whatever you put out there, will be received by you too. As in, ano lang siya, ikot lang ng energy, no? Whatever you put out, you will also receive, ganyan. Universal law naman yun. Kaya para ngayon, I also want to surround myself with so much love so I can also give so much love. And yon, thankful ako kasi grabe, parang ang ganda ng pasok ng 2026 na punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Especially dito sa house. Grabe, ang daming tao lagi. Lahat nagtatawanan lang. Tapos kahapon nag-iyakan kami ng tita ko. Not because of suffering, but because of the joy and ang layo na din talaga. May naiyak na naman ako. Ang layo na din talaga. So, parang isa kong tita, sabi niya sa akin, napanood niya daw yung isa kong video na umiyak ako sa kotse. Tapos naiyak din daw siya kasi sabi niya, grabe, ang liit mo lang noon, ganyan. So, parang kapag naiisip ko din, shucks, grabe, sobrang hirap nga talaga ng buhay dati. But because I prayed every night and I surrendered my life to Him, naging fruitful. Parang, alam mo yun, parang naging fruitful talaga. Tapos hindi na lang ako yung nabibless ngayon. Even the people around me are also blessed and I get to share my blessings as well. Kaya ang prayer ko na talaga everyday ay gamitin ako ni Lord everyday na maging vessel niya. Kasi I want to give so much love to people. Kasi yun yung madalas kulang. Yung minsan, nasa yun na lahat. But because you don't totally surrender, lagi ka pa rin may feeling na kulang. Lagi mo pa rin na-feel na chasing ka, proving ka. Pero in reality, if you actually just surrender your life, buong-buo ka na with Him. Ayun lang. Parang kapot ng realization ko din ay, grabe, hindi ko alam kung paano ko nagagawa or nasasabi lahat ng to. But maybe because I'm always praying na gawin niya talaga akong vessel. So yun din siguro yung nangyayari. Ayun lang. Iyakan na naman tayo. Kaila. Pero alam mo yan, ang saya kasi yung iyak ko ngayon, it's not the iyak na coming from hurt, from anger, but more on coming from love. Ang saya, from joy, from gratefulness. Yun na siya. Ayun lang. I'm excited for today and for the coming weeks and months. Hindi ko pa din, at this point, for the record, at this point, hindi ko pa rin to sinishare sa public. So, happy ako kasi, ewan ko, for some reason, may views yung mga videos. So, happy na ako dun. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko to i-share. But yeah, ay lang. Bye!